Howdy. Good afternoon. Well, almost evening. This video is about Judge Cannon. You know, several analysts on TV that have no friggin' clue what the hell they're talking about have bashed her that she's inexperienced, blah, 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 blah. Well, she's been on the bench for 4 years. That's not inexperienced. That's number one. Number two, Jack Smith's team admitted in open court that they tampered with evidence. That's right, they tampered with evidence. They told her that they took files out of boxes, laid them out on the ground, put security, top secret and security classified markers on them, and then they put them back in the boxes and didn't put them back in the order they came out. Some are in one box, some are in another box. That's just a total cluster. Because I have a bunch of cops in my family, and when they collect evidence, it is to go in the exact order that you took it out of the box. And they also admitted that they brought files with them from Virginia, somewhere in Virginia. Well, that smells of a setup. I'm not a conspiracy theorist or anything, but when you have agents come to raid the house and they bring files with them, the hell are they doing? This whole thing was a setup, and Judge Cannon saw it. She also noted in her dismissal order that Jack Smith had drawn $12 million from the independent counsel statute fund, which independent counsel no longer exists. And she said that he was improperly appointed because he'd never been appointed by the president and confirmed by the Senate. He was not a U.S. attorney that they assigned to do this. He was just a citizen attorney with a contract to do work for the UN the International Criminal Court, the ICC, in The Hague. And Merrick Garland says, "Oh, you were overruled by the Supreme Court 9-0, so we're going to stick you on Donald Trump." That was a cluster from the start, because he got overturned on the Supreme Court because he was the prosecutor in the Governor McDonald case, the governor from Virginia, and the Supreme Court said that he planted evidence, and it was a 9-0 reversal. That's almost unheard of, that you get the Supreme Court to say 9-0 that you did something wrong. That doesn't happen often. And Matt Gaetz said Monday, that he would nominate Judge Cannon for the Supreme Court if a vacancy came open under the Trump term. So that's what I have for y'all today, and look forward to talking to you again. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment in the chat. I always go look at the chat and see if there's any comments. So I'll talk to y'all soon.